Welcome to our next Q&A session addressing frequently asked questions. In this session, we'll discuss fees and costs associated with online learning. Hello Mrs. Chinju, thank you for joining me. The mode of education delivery has changed dramatically during the COVID-19 pandemic. Students are learning remotely from their homes using their own devices and data to connect with teachers who are working from their homes. Why is ACHS still charging the same fees as they when offered in-person classes? Haven't the school's cost significantly dropped during the pandemic?
No, the vast majority of our recurring costs stayed the same. For example, our largest expense, teacher salaries, is the same as it was before the pandemic. And due to the pandemic, ACHS incurred additional expenses. When the pandemic hit, ACHS had to pivot to make our high quality teaching and learning opportunities available to our students securely over the internet, while continuing to tailor the content for new batches of remote students. ACHS judiciously engages experts and institutions who can ensure teachers are equipped and trained to create a meaningful and effective learning environment for our students through online and offline engagements, including lectures, homework, projects, and assessments. For example, we use an industry leading online learning management system equipped with the latest features available for remote learning. Working closely with these online partners, teachers source materials throughout India and around the world to enhance ACHS students' online learning experience.
As a busy parent myself, I know I don't have the time or training to find developmentally appropriate material to challenge and assess each of my child. But what about the technology fee? Why is there a separate fee for technology when the entire educational delivery system is online?
In addition to the technology supported systems already discussed, the school incurs technology related costs which are recurring long term investments in the school. ACHS is a sought after school because we constantly strive to create a high quality teaching and learning environment for teachers, students and staff. But this is not accomplished in a year. It takes years to build.
Can you provide a few examples, please?
The school grounds are equipped with CCTV cameras and school buses are equipped with CCTV and GPS to ensure the safety of all students entrusted to our care. The school also employs automated school and office services software enabling parents with easy access to important services with considerably less wait time. The automation system enables seamless and constant contact between ACHS and students and parents even during restrictive COVID lockdowns. We also invest in our teachers' professional development with continuous online trainings and tech support to troubleshoot issues as they arise. With over 130 teachers working remotely with various setups at home, our tech support team works around the clock to help teachers deliver high quality live lectures and online learning opportunities to our students. Lastly, we plan to use RFA embedded student ID cards for real time monitoring and reporting of students' absences. All of these investments are expensive, recurring annual costs. Many of these technologies are huge investments of millions of rupees for the long term sustainability of the school and its continuation as an educational leader in Hosur. Regardless of whether all these features are currently being used during remote online learning, the license fees and maintenance costs must be paid pursuant to pre-pandemic agreements.
So, Even though the school is temporarily in a remote learning environment, the vast majority of its ongoing year-to-year expenses is still due, isn't it?
Exactly right. The school must simultaneously meet the needs of this academic year while also planning and preparing for our return to physical classes for years to come.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Chinju.